Did you know your iPhone can turn into a nightstand clock? Let me show you how to enable Nightstand Mode. Apple actually calls it StandBy mode. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Standby. Turn Standby on. This mode activates when your iPhone is charging and placed sideways. Below that, you can customize how it works. You can choose if the display turns off after 20 seconds or stays on forever. You can also enable Night Mode, which adds a red tint in low light so it doesn't disturb you at night. You can also choose whether notifications appear on the screen. Now, plug your iPhone into a charger. Turn it sideways, lock the screen, and place it on a stand. In a dark room, your iPhone will automatically switch into standby mode and show a clock, widgets, or photos. Keep in mind, this works best in low light. If it's bright, standby mode may not appear. And that's it. Your iPhone is now a nightstand display. Follow and subscribe for more iPhone tips.